If you live in a home built before 1950, you may have knob and tube wiring. Knob and tube wiring is named for the ceramic knobs used to hold wires in place, and ceramic tubes that act as protective insulators for wires running through wall studs or floor joists. While knob and tube wiring was cutting edge in the early 1900s, it's now considered a fire hazard. One of the most common problems with knob and tube wiring is that the copper wires are wrapped with cloth insulation. When the wires were soldered together, they covered the wires with rubber. Over time, the rubber degrades and the wires break, which causes arcing. Arcing is where sparks jump from one wire to another, causing a serious fire hazard, especially because of the cloth covering. Another problem with knob and tube wiring: there are only two wires, and neither wire is color-coded like today, leaving professional electricians to guess which wire is hot and which is neutral. This also means there's no ground wire in the system, which can be dangerous. Modern wiring has three color-coded wires: a black or hot wire, a white or neutral wire, and green or ground wire. The ground wire is important because it triggers the circuit breaker to shut off in case of a short circuit. Lastly, many homes with knob and tube wiring have undergone remodeling over the years. Remodeling may have included moving the electrical outlet or source. It may have also included the addition of insulation. Moving brittle knob and tube wiring can weaken it, and since knob and tube wiring uses air to dissipate heat, any contact with home insulation poses a threat of fire. Knob and tube wiring poses a problem for insurance companies. Some demand higher premiums from customers, while some companies refuse to insure homeowners with knob and tube wiring. Clearly, knob and tube wiring should be replaced. If you have or think you may have knob and tube wiring in your home and would like a safety evaluation, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.